rolling. Hi, I am Krylon Superstar. Welcome here to the playa at Black Rock City here at Burning Man. This is really, it's 2015 or something like that. I'm excited about the next topic. Porta potties. P.U. How dare they? No, actually, you know, porta potties are essential, and I love it when I walk out of the porta potty and it's a aromatic scent of flowers or chamomile or patchouli instead of shit. However, the great part about being around here at the Burning Man camp here in Black Rock City is that there's different times that the porta potties are actually, you know, serviced and not serviced. Hi, porta potty goer. This is for YouTube Center. What's your name?
My name is Hot Pants McGee.
Hi, I'm Krylon Superstar, and this is Cooter. Cooter is the cameraman. Cooter. What do you think about the porta potties here at Black Rock City?
Well, I'm a longtime veteran. I've been coming since 2002, so let me tell you, these are not as bad as they used to be.
Oh.
I have literally seen shit piled over the lid, which for me is something that, like, you know, it's one thing for it to be full, but who was the person who then got on top and was like, okay, let's fill it up.
Let's go a little bit over the top
more,
of it.
Piled. So this is nothing compared to what it used to be.
Oh, that's awesome.
So
see, this is our second burn. First burn, I had to get used to the whole porta potty. I've been to a lot of festivals, so the porta potty thing is one thing, but it's interesting how the mentality around porta potty usage here at Black Rock City Burning Man, how the porta potty usage, you have to really let go. And I mean both out of the ass, supposedly the penis or whatever, but also the mind, because if you don't, you won't wind up using the bathroom, blockage and stuff like that.
yeah, I mean midday, it's like a blue sauna.
So when is your idea of going to, what's the best time to get to the porta potty before it overflows? And
like right after the Jots guys clean it.
Okay.
You know, they like maybe even spray a little bit in there. It's all clean. There's toilet paper. It's amazing.
Oh, awesome. Well, thank you so much. What's your name once again?
Hot Pants.
Hot Pants, ladies and gentlemen. Hot Pants, thank you. Nice to see you. Let's just take a really quick look at the porta potties that we're talking about here. Oh, sorry about that. Sometimes they're not open. Sometimes they're
Is this the tour that I've been waiting for all week?
and take a really good look at the porta potties that we get to experience here at Black Rock City at Burning Man 2015. So this was another one of our updates here. I'm Krylon Superstar, and I absolutely love you. Remember, if you have to take a shit at Black Rock City, make sure you do an early bird special in the morning, or you're going to be hovering over a pile of shit. Thank you very much, and did that make any sense?